Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Tokir Abid from the floor of ISET Academy. Here, if you haven't still subscribed the channel, so kindly subscribe and press bell icon so you may receive the new useful videos. Kindly like and share this video as well. Today I am present here with a very great speech according to the event 23rd March 1940. Alive nations never forget their glorious moments which are found in the past dates. Nations are recognized by their historic assets. Whenever we visit Lahore city, mostly we pass near a historic monument which reminds us about some great moments in our history. Yes, you are understanding well. It is Minar-e-Pakistan, a great place which glorifies the golden moments of the Muslims of subcontinent. They stood for their rights and gathered at Minar-e-Pakistan on 23rd March 1940 under the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. They raised the slogans, Pakistan ka matlab kya, La ilaha illallah, Leke rahenge Pakistan, Batke rahega Hindustan. The very day reminds us about the sacrifices of Muslims for the formation of Pakistan. Men gave their lives. Women presented their precious chastity. Parents lost their children. Brothers lost their sisters. Wives presented the great sacrifice in shape of their husbands' lives. Janab Fatima jigre Rasool ke aage, शहीद हो के किया माँ को सुरखरू तुमने. जनाब हज़रत ज़ैनब गवाही देती हैं, शहीदों रखी है बहनों की आबरू तुमने. वतन की बेटियां माएँ सलाम कहती हैं. And then the green and white flag flapped on the blue horizon. The soil turned from brown to red. Then the seed of freedom was sown by the great people who left their home, left their bag and baggage in their native homes, left their childhood memories in those streets and departed to Pakistan. दिल से निकलेगी न मर के भी वतन की उल्फत, दिल से निकलेगी न मर के भी वतन की उल्फत, मेरी मिट्टी से भी खुशबुए वफा आएगी. 23rd March reminds all of us how did our forefathers collected their strength and demonstrated a magnificent unity to gain a separate homeland. This day also gives us a lesson that in a united effort, the success becomes a fate. At the end, I just want to say that today we are passing through a very hard time. It is the time to be united and make a collective effort to achieve our goals as a nation. मेरे मौला मेरी धरती को सलामत रखना, मेरे मौला मेरी धरती को सलामत रखना, लालो याकूत सी मिट्टी को सलामत रखना, मेरी धड़कन मेरी पहचान मेरी इस्बात वजूद, मेरे खालिक मेरी बस्ती को सलामत रखना. Thank you very much to watch the video up to the end.